Italian sausage sub sliders. Italian sausage sub
She's actually
sliders.
going to try. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy. And a few weeks ago, we were hanging out in southern Pennsylvania for our baby moon in Amish country, actually the town of Lancaster. And we had a great time just enjoying some slow pace and time to ourselves, but we also decided to stop in a local butcher there and pick up some tasty meats. A few weeks ago we made these amazing chicken cheesesteaks, and tonight we've got Italian sausage from the Amish butcher.
Yep, and my parents are actually in town, and so we've been spending some good time with them as well. So we decided to make this meal for everybody, and today we are making Italian sausage sub sliders.
Say that 7 times fast. No, it's not gonna work.
Let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Welcome back to Destination Delicious. As Spencer said, his parents are in town, and today we've just been catching up and visiting. It's been a couple of months since we've seen them.
Yeah.
We've been playing in the yard, just doing all kinds of fun stuff, and so now we're really hungry and very excited about this meal. So we're taking a little bit of the Italian sub and the Italian sausage, combining them together, and we're making some really fun sliders.
The sausages are going to cook the longest, so that's the first thing we're going to get on the griddle.
The most graceful sausage dropping I've ever seen. What is happening over here?
We've got the griddle preheated to low, and we'll just keep these things rolling so that they don't overcook in one spot or the other.
Sausages are smelling so good. I'm personally excited that I'm eating for 2, but not for much longer.
Not for long. Comment below with your guesstimate on the date of birth. You might be seeing this video after she actually arrives, but put your guess in the comments below anyway. In another video coming up soon, we will be a family of 4.
She'll probably be attached to me while we're cooking.
As long as everything you're doing involves spoons and no knives. All right, so the sausages are just about ready at this point. I'm going to turn one of the burners off and move the sausages over to that side so they don't burn. And now it's time to get our other meats down on the griddle.
We picked 2 of our favorites from an Italian sub, pepperoni and prosciutto, so we're gonna get those on the griddle. We're tag teaming here because these meats are gonna cook really quickly. There we go. Now it's time to start building our sliders. We're gonna build our entire sub first, and then we will cut them in half and make our perfect sliders. All right, so we're putting our prosciutto down. Do some pepperonis, some cheese. And then the cheese will just sort of melt on its own because the pepperonis and prosciutto is still quite warm.
And we're gonna lay that hot sausage in it.
Yes, exactly. Oh. Oh yeah. Never enough meat. Meat, and more meat.
Pork extravaganza.
All right, now we have a little bit of create your own, make your own toppings. We've got some red onion, lettuce, hot, spicy banana peppers.
And to top everything off, our Italian sub sliders. What is it? Italian sausage sub sliders. We're gonna do a little vinegar and oil, just like they do in deli. We've got some olive oil there. Oh, it does have a little dribbler top on that. Nice. I was gonna wonder. I'm gonna try not to put too much on, but I think that works out. Right. And
yes,
got a little bit of Mexican oregano here, just to give a nice punch of flavor. Oh boy.
Look at
That
that.
looks so good. All right, let the pork extravaganza begin. Give this a try.
All right. Mmm.
That's like an Italian sub turned up to 11.
That sausage is fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
There's so much good flavor.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm. It's very, very delicious. I love the cooked pepperoni and prosciutto.
Mm-hmm. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you visit blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell so you don't miss any of the great episodes from all the cooks on the channel.
We're talking about Bruce, Betty, Nate, CJ, Todd, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.